Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Ozonolysis cleaves C is equal to C double bonds. For cumulated dienes, allenes, C is equal to C is equal to C. Ozonolysis of each double bond produces carbonyl fragments, with the central carbon of the alene giving CO2, since it is doubly bonded to both sides and has no H or alkyl group attached when cleaved from both sides. Moving on to the next step. Identify the molecular formula. C4H6 has degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 dash 6, 2 is equal to 2, indicating 2 degrees of unsaturation, example, 2 double bonds or a ring plus 1 double bond. Moving on to the next step. Analyze option B, CH3, CH is equal to C is equal to CH2, 1, 2-butadiene, and allene. This molecule has 2 cumulated double bonds, one between C2 and C3 and one between C3 and C4. And for the final step, CH2 is equal to and gives HCHO, formaldehyde, and the central carbon C3 retains a double bond to C2 side. C3 fragment becomes O is equal to C is equal to CH, CH3, an intermediate. Ozonolysis of the C2 is equal to C3 double bond of that intermediate, CH3, CH is equal to gives CH3CHO, acetaldehyde, and is equal to C is equal to, the central carbon with no H or substituents remaining, gives CO2. HCHO plus CO2 plus CH3CHO exactly matches the given products HCHO, CO2, CH3CHO. H to C is equal to CH is equal to CH2, 1, 3-butadiene on ozonolysis would give 2 equivalents of HCHO and 1 equivalent of OHCHO, glyoxal, not CO2 or CH3CHO. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.